meet Travis and Zoe. And I'm doing this just to highlight the young people them in St. Lucia and the kind of stuff they're doing. Not Bonnie and Clyde, more like Samson and Delilah. Let's go. So who's this youth here? Travis. My intel tell me say him roll with the lash up, meaning him roll with the 7. Now the young lady beside him, that it is girlfriend or so-called girlfriend, but it seems apparently them have some issue going on, because this girl here, Zoe, she worked with Travis and set up couple little man so them can eat a food, which is very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. And I notice the young ladies them in St. Lucia, them do that. Now the reason why I am dropping this video is to highlight what's going on with the younger side of the population in St. Lucia. And it is not only St. Lucia, it is also Jamaica, Trinidad, and the rest of the Caribbean islands. I have to always stress that, even though St. Lucia is the subject.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Look at that picture right there. The one to the right is Travis. That's St. LUCIA SAMSON. And that's his homeboy, Karaj. Karsha. Now, it is alleged from my intel that Travis is the one who get rid of his best friend. You hear what I'm saying? This young man from U4, the dreadlocks youth on the left, Karaj, or Kaj, the man them a St. Lucia have some different kind of name, yo. Him get murdered in a view fort, and the rumor of it that his best friend is the one who did it, was Travis. Now, like I said, the reason why me I highlight them young people here, you know, is to put the police them on notice and the community, as well as I would like to steer them away from gang violence and gangsterism. Now, it is also alleged that this guy here, Travis, is responsible for up to like 3 murder. You hear what I'm saying? Young guys, them, you know. Now, he is with this girl Zoe, another young lady. And like I mentioned earlier, them set up people. But Zoe, she cheated on Travis, you know. And that caused a fight and a rift between him and some other set of man, you know. And him end up get shot in his foot. You know, yeah. What is very surprising and shocking. Intel is telling me that he went to Martinique and he is wanted in some things in Martinique also. But what is even more crazy is the rancid relationship, like the Samson and Delilah raunchy relationship, the rancid relationship that he has with this girl Zoe. Because apparently she keeps on cheating on him, he keeps on beating her up. Then they make up, she set up man with him robbed them, and it's just a vicious, crazy cycle. Now, I heard they're back together, and usually when this couple go together, look out for something bad. You see what I'm saying? Over the years, or over the time that I've been doing my little vlog on St. Lucia and thing, everybody see I've highlighted many young people. You have the light-skinned chick with the big blood cleat assault rifle who them end up killed, amongst other things. You know what I'm saying? So, amongst other videos, that I've done. So, yeah, St. Lucia is unique when it comes to the young people them. Just see I did a video and these girls attacking another girl like a man, and then you have a big stinking mouth boy, him a videotape the thing and a laugh with them damn rotten teeth them. So yeah, this is how it is. And like me say, this is just a red alert, you understand? And it is like a warning shot to Samson and Delilah. You understand? This is a warning shot to Samson and Delilah. Stop doing what I do. You understand? Want to see how people end up. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.